Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. Today we're going to be making easy freezer to oven to plate chicken wings. So I usually buy a large bag of chicken wings. This is a 4-pound party size, 0 carbs, 1 serving, has 220 calories, 16 grams of fat, 19 grams of protein. So you'll need a pan, and I line it with aluminum foil instead of spraying it, but I line it because it's easy to clean up. So when you have the oil and everything at the end, you can just fold up your aluminum foil and toss it in the trash. So when you get your chicken wings, some of them look very large. They don't look like the chicken wings you have in the store, but they'll shrink. So these are not breaded or anything. That's why they do not have any carbs. You want to make sure you check the back. So I'm just going to fill my pan up. And then the seasoning that I use, I make my own seasoning, but I just make it out of regular seasoning that I have. So I do equal parts garlic powder, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, and I just put it in a different container, shake it up, mix it up real well. And then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on top. I'm just going to drizzle. I'm not going to do a whole lot. The fat will cook out and be the oil itself. I'm just putting this on so my seasoning will stick real well. So like I said, straight from the freezer. You don't have to thaw it out. And I'm just going to sprinkle. And I'm going to sprinkle a good bit. On every chicken wing. And you can do whatever flavor you like. In restaurants, I've actually seen restaurants use dry ranch packets, but you're done. That's it. So you'll preheat your oven to 400 before you put the chicken in, and then you're going to cook it for 65 minutes, and that will get them real crispy. If you don't like them as crispy, then you can do it for 55 or 60 minutes, but I like 65 minutes seems to work best. And if that's not enough, when you come check, you can bake it for 5 or 10 more minutes. I'll see you back when they're done. Okay, so I put it in an additional 10 minutes for a total of 75 minutes. And you can see because it was frozen, you're going to have quite a bit of chicken. Okay, I've turned them over. And I'm just going to broil on low for 5 minutes, the bottom side of the chicken wings. So now I'm going to take them out after I've broiled just to give both sides a nice brown. And if you don't like both sides crispy or brown, then you do not have to broil. There you have it. Easy peasy chicken wings. Basically all you do is season them, put them in the oven, and let them bake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.